my man's doing in the Laker. Totally bamboozled as to where I'm going to board my flight. There are so many people and it's hectic. So heading to Shanghai, whoop whoop. Let's see what services are on offer. Oh, it's his final call.
You have occasion your boarding pass. Your seatbelt is firmly fastened, your seat back upright, your tray table locked in. And if you're travelling in business, please ensure your shoulder sash belt is fastened as well. And if you're in economy, the small upper literature pocket below your entertainment screen will be used for takeoff or landing. You must also remove headsets and USBs from the seat back attachment for takeoff. However, you may insert your headset into the armrest for our takeoff. Now, all electronic devices, including mobile phones, must now be set to flight mode. Small handheld devices may be used for takeoff, but please put away any laptop computers and other large devices. Radio transmitters and devices without flight mode cannot be used at any time during the flight, and just a reminder, please be aware that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted on this flight. Once again, we do welcome you on board. We look forward to flying you to Shanghai today, and be pleased to know we have the last of our passengers on board the aircraft. To see as quickly as possible and stow those bags in fasten your seatbelt so we can get underway.
Check out what's in my carry-on bag. The link is in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, as I post new videos every week that give tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences.
Landing and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. That includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep...
Oxygen is required. A mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the oxygen. Put her on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow with...
Seatbelts on, we must be about to land. Remember to click that notification bell.
Welcome to Shanghai, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is just 18 minutes to 7. However, personal electronic devices may not be used inside the terminal until you've actually cleared the customs door. And please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as bags may move to fall out, and it's a good idea to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal belongings before you leave the aircraft. And once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving through the two forward left-hand doors. And just a reminder, smoking is not permitted unless there is a designated smoking area in the terminal. And once again, you'll need to remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. There is generally quite a long taxi process here in Shanghai, and the aircraft may stop and start several times before we actually arrive at the terminal building. And we can be taxiing for quite a while, at times up to 10 minutes, so just remain seated for your safety and the safety of the passengers around you. Those passengers with onward connections, be they domestic or international, will need to clear customs and immigration and pick up your bags here in Shanghai before joining your next flight, and your baggage will come out at carousel number 10. And finally, on behalf of the Qantas team, we do hope you enjoyed your flight to Sydney, and we do hope to welcome you back on board again very soon.